To print and present a project, you can create sheets to collect individual views. On the View tab, select the Sheet command. In the New Sheet dialog, a title block family is selected. Additional title block families can also be loaded into the project from this dialog by clicking the Load button. Sheet information can be changed by selecting the title block of the sheet and then clicking on the field which needs to be changed. In this example, the sheet number is changed to A1. To add views to the sheet, locate the view in the project browser and then drag the view onto the sheet. Here, a 3D perspective view is selected for placement on the sheet. Once the cursor is inside the sheet boundaries, release the mouse button and an outline representing the extent of the view will be centered on the cursor. Position the outline as needed and then click to place the view on the sheet. As additional views are placed on the sheet, guides will display to help you align view titles or align geometry from similar views. When a view title is selected without the view, it can be moved individually. When the view is selected, grips are displayed on the view title and they can be modified. As additional views are added to the sheet, individual view references are resolved with the view and sheet information.